guys, so today we're going to do fidget hunting in my apartment in the toy hotel. So let's look. Is this a fidget? No. It's not, maybe it's not. No. Is this? No. Is there anything in here? No. What are flashlights here for? Anything here? Ooh, a fidget. Another fidget. Why is another fidget here? And guys, sorry for that. I just put it there because I'm going to sleep here later. So this is cool. I'm gonna go fidget trading later for some good fidgets. Okay. I think I can't wait for later, so let's just go to the trading hub. Here's the trading hub. And then there's another person who's like giving me some fidgets, but they don't want to talk. I think they're silent. Let's just offer something. I'm gonna trade this monkey noodle. They're choosing for something to trade. Okay, that's a good offer. So accept. Ooh, I got something good. Okay, this is good for day 1. Watch my part 2 for day 2 in my next episode. Bye!